is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy crock pot recipe to make tortilla soup. You can do this with pre-cooked ground hamburger, or you can do this with chicken, and I'm going to be doing it with chicken. It's a very simple recipe, and I will put the ingredients in the box below. As most of the things I cook, I sort of wing it, so you could probably reduce some of these if you don't want as much soup. And pardon the noise in the background, I'm also canning chicken today. First of all, you're going to need 2 cups of chopped chicken. Need 2 cans of undrained diced tomatoes. Sometimes I do need a third, so I do keep an extra one in case I need it, but we'll see. You need a can of corn, and I accidentally have a can of cream corn here. My family isn't really wild about, so I'm going to put it in here. It's going to make my soup a little thicker, but that's okay. A can of black beans. Stir. You're going to need a small can of tomato paste. You're going to need 2 cans, if you do canned chicken broth, of 14 ounces of chicken broth. Now's where you can look at it to see if you think you need to add an extra can of tomatoes. You're also going to need 1 chopped large onion, about 6 cloves of chopped garlic, or you can use 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and I have about 2 tablespoons of chopped jalapenos. You can also substitute chili pepper, any kind of hot pepper in here. If you have something, banana peppers work, they're a little bit more mild. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper each. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, sort of a heaping teaspoon. We like things hot around here. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Now I'm going to let this cook on low, I would say, for about 6 to 8 hours, on high for 4 to 6 hours. It's really, since your chicken is pre-cooked, you could start eating it probably, if you had it on low, within 4 hours. It would be hot enough, everything would be. Before you serve it, you will cut. My family doesn't really like this as much, so I sort of leave this step out. You can cut regular soft tortillas into strips, and then I would say 2 to 3 inch strips, and then sprinkle those throughout and give it a good mix. Or you can crunch up, everyone can have individual servings of the soup and crunch up like hard tortilla chips on top of it. It's all mixed up in there. It will be spicy. Like I said, you can adjust the peppers. You can leave out jalapenos. You can add different peppers. You can add you can adjust the garlic. It's very much of a what you got on hand. It's great for using leftover chicken. If you only got a cup of chicken, that'll work. It'll be mostly vegetarian. You can make this without the meat. It has black beans in it. You could, if you're a vegetarian and didn't want to use any meat, you could increase your black beans. It's a very thrifty recipe that is very versatile, and basically anything you'd put on a taco you can throw in there. I've even used wilted spinach in there before. It all tastes really good when you're done. And it's an economical dish, and you can make a lot of it. You can just add more tomatoes, and you could add more chicken broth if you like it thinner. So I would make it and see what your family thinks about it, and then you can adjust it accordingly after that. But it's really a great dish to have. Like I said, I'm canning chicken today, so there's something I want to be cooking while I am working, and then I don't have to worry about having dinner ready because it's doing its own thing in the pot. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Thanks for joining us. Bye.